Hey there, it's Tamera back with another Medjool date masterpiece for your Monday meal. Let's dig in. Homemade energy bars are the perfect pick-me-up snack. These bars are filled with protein and antioxidants to help you power through your day. You'll need nuts, dried fruit, and Natural Delights Medjool dates. Combine them in a food processor, press into a square, and chill. Once your bars are chilled, take them out of the fridge, cut them into squares, and enjoy. The best part of this recipe is that you can store them in the fridge for several weeks, so you'll always have a healthy snack ready to go. Keep those great tips coming to your inbox by subscribing to our YouTube channel.